New.
Hello everyone. My name is Golak Behar Vimal and my student code is FS41461132. So I am here with my batchmates Raj and Ankit to present the project that we have made on the hackathon. The idea of the project is a AI-based finance assistant, which who will be helping us regarding the financial, all the details and assess. Basically, it will assist with us on the basis of the spending details and on the financial details that we will be putting into it. So, without wasting further time, I will be handing over the call to Raj so that he will start the project presentation.
Thank you, Gaurav. My name is Raj Ghosh and my student ID is FS41455853. And I've been a member on this team and Smith has been the team leader. So give me a good opportunity. So Smith, can you please share the screen so I can explain my part?
Yeah, sure.
Okay. So yeah, it is visible. So this is the landing page of the website, which will be visible to the user when they first visit on this website. So it is highly responsive and multiple technologies has been used, multiple libraries has been used, such as Tailwind for the responsiveness and Lucid React and all the icon packs and all the different things. And it is highly responsible as well. And yeah, so we can see it is also available in mobile view as well. So we don't have to, worry about those things. And second thing is I've worked on the chatbot, which is on the right hand corner. So it is integrated with the Gemini AI and it is responsive as well. So we can chat with it and we can discuss anything if user has any problem. So it would be saved in database as well. If database has been integrated by Smart and it will be all tracked by and so this was my part. I've integrated these things and I've contributed my part in this team. So I'll hand over to Ankit from here and he will be taking on from here. Over to you, Ankit.
Thank you, Raj. So, I will introduce myself. My name is Ankit Mandal. So, my student code is FS41432517. So, I am the team member of the project of this project. So, my role is to work on the front end part. So, I have implemented the login sign up page and the history page. So, this way can you click on the login or register page. So, here it is a register page and we can register our user if we are new user, so we have to register. If we are existing user, we can log in from here. So please log in. See, firstly we have to enter the mail and password, then we can sign in and we will realize our history page where all the history is like simulation, the expenses and what expenses we have created and what the simulations, and we can filter it by month, day or year. So there will be no issue of that. And here we can see our expenses is neutral or very extreme or fear, and we can apply the accuracy range also. That's all from my side. So over to you, Smith.
Thank you, Ankit, for explanation. So I will be taking over from the here onwards. So as you guys have seen that we are having the page of history where we are able to create the simulation. A simulation is basically a rough figure of how the AI will help you to manage. Basically, you will be checking with the financial details whether you are having any planning for the future, or you want to check for any kind of financial stability for the future. So for that, you can create a simulation where you will be putting your data, financial data, and based on that, the AI will be generating all the data. So I will be walking you through the process here. So here we are able to see the create new simulation button here also, and in the bottom part also. So when I will click it here, it will basically ask me to fill a form where all the financial details we have to fill here. So let me just put some final demo details. So I will be putting my monthly expenses, let's say 500. Rent will be around 2000. Then shopping will be around 1500 per month. Utilities will be, let's say, 500 per month. then transportation will be 1000 per month, and based on that I will be leaving these two as like I don't have to give all of the data because it is completely optional whether we have to we can also give it or we can also leave it. That is not an issue. So after that we are having the option to give the investment if we are having any kind of investment currently going on. So I'm just giving one example of stock market investment. Let's say I'm investing 600 rupee per month, and yeah, fixed deposit I'm having 2000 rupees. So this will be 2600 total of current investment. And based on that, I can if I am having any kind of assets or if I am going on with any kind of EMI plans, then I can mention here, let's say I am having an asset like I purchased a car and I'm giving around 5000 rupees per month for EMI. So this is the data that is my actual data that I'm giving here to the AI. Then in the future, like in the next step, we are having an option to choose for the future option. Sorry for the inconvenience. So here we are having the option to choose for the future option based on which the AI will be generating the data. So here we are having the option to change jobs, make investments, major purchase, like any kind of purchase if we want to plan in the future. So basically this is a concept where a term called what if comes to the picture. It means if we are planning to do something in the future, then all the details will be fetched accordingly and the AI will be generating all the data. So let's say I'm planning to move to a new city, and the city which I'm planning to move will be Delhi, let's say. And the monthly rent, I'm assuming that it will be 5000 per month, and the cost of living will be around 10,000 per month. So based on this data, it will check with the my current data, and it will basically give me the suggestions and all the details. So the timeline which I want to put is for the next 5 years, and then I can create the simulation. Once the simulation is created, it will basically redirect me to the dashboard where all the details of the simulations will be given and all the financial breakdown along with the AI will be giving us the analysis of how the spending is going on and how we can basically enhance or like yeah, basically how we can enhance the financial stability. So here you can see I got an option to go with the simulation that I have created on 14th of sorry 12th of April today itself. So if I'll click here, it will basically take me to the dashboard where I will be having the option like all the details that my monthly income is this much, my monthly expense is this much, then the total saving that I am having till now is this much, and what is the monthly investment that I am putting onwards. And based on that details, I am getting a breakdown of how many things how many things I am basically having expenses of in a particular month. So I'm having food, rent, shopping, utilities, transportation. So basically, whatever data you will be selecting in the form, based on that data only, the charts will be generated. And this chart basically tells about the saving meter, where it will basically fetch all the data, like all the income details and all the expense details in the backend, and it is basically calculating the saving. And beside that, you can see that AI is recommend. There is an option for AI recommendation, which is basically AI is giving us the recommendation of expense optimization, how we can optimize the expense, then how we can make the strategies for investments. Then we are having savings targets based on all the details which is mentioned here. And for the convenience of the user, we have mentioned the accuracy. It means how much the actual data will be if the user will plan to do according to the AI role plan. So you can see here the accuracy, overall accuracy is 78%, and based on this particular recommendation, the accuracy is having 80%. And below that, we are having a chart where I am showing here the long-term and short-term data. It means the purple line shows that the current path, which means the current investment strategies that I am following, and the blue path is showing basically how the saving plan, which is AI is generating, basically assisting me to do that. And if I'll go for the long term, then I can see definitely the AI is suggesting me to go for that suggestion, and based on that, I will be getting more financial stability in the future. Below that, I am having an option to check all of the financial decision impact analysis. It means whatever investment that I have done, whatever purchases that I have made in past life, Based on that data, it will give me the strengths, weakness, which area I have to improve. Then I am having some positive financial decisions that I have made, or any kind of negative impacts, or else the AI will be suggesting me the recommendation for it. So this is all about the data which will be generated by the AI. It is not like all the data are not generated by AI itself. We are also putting some mathematics behind it so that it can, like, we don't have to rely everything on real AI itself. And yeah, beside that, as my friend Raj have mentioned, he has already worked on the bot here. Whenever, like, if the user wants to do any kind of research also, or he wants, like, he is having any kind of doubts, then he can ask the AI itself from here onwards. So this is all about the project, and also, like, we have implemented the authentication part, as because of that the complete application is authorized and it is very much secure. And if you want to delete this simulation in future, or we want to make any changes, then we can do it from here. If I delete, then it will ask me to delete, and it will basically delete the simulation. So this is how the application works. So this is all from my side. So Raj and Ankit, would you like to add something more?
Yes, so I'll be just thanking to Masai for this hackathon, as well as a grateful team leader for guiding us, and he guided us a lot in this journey. So thank you for that, and thank you for giving me this opportunity. Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you all for thank you for the presentation, and thank you for the opportunity to show, like, to give us an opportunity to showcase our talent and showcase our skills to make some kind of application. Thank you.